realize how many trees there are in town. So.
Yeah, I know.
Start breaking. Look at how much snow those trees are holding. Those big pine trees.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. The conifers.
Thousands of pounds of snow.
Conifers seem alright, I guess. I mean, like they're made for that or
There's
something.
a nice looking one right there.
This looks like it's snowboarding. They didn't plow it.
It's not anymore. Just like on the roads.
We don't know. Something was stuck to it.
Looks like power's back on up here.